Hi guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look at the charts. And like I always say, triple bottoms do not exist. We had a double bottom here on the S&P 500 and yeah, they made a new low. So yeah, looks like a bearish retest at the moment. Over here for the Nasdaq Top 100 as well. They made a triple bottom over here, bounced a little and then made the the new lows. So yeah, like I said, triple bottoms do not exist. Have to see what the dollar is about to do over here. They seem to be bouncing off of this level all the time. So they either break up above this one or they break this level over here and are gonna start tripping down. The gold price is really consolidating and is getting really tight. We'll be getting ready for a breakout soon if you ask me. And gold and Bitcoin are very correlated. S&P broke this support line over here as well. Could have been a really nice support, but isn't looking good at the moment. Yeah, it will be all about what the dollar will be doing. If they will come up with some news anyhow this weekend, how it will close. Taking a look at Bitcoin, we are definitely in this range. We are getting tight over here. Pulling on a VPVR, we can see we have a little bit of a gap over here. And this is resistance at the moment, 11.1k. Support at the moment, I would say, would be around here. 10.6k. So yeah, maybe we'll make a touch over there, do a retest, a bullish retest, and go up from there. If we go below 10.4k, it is looking very bad. Bitcoin needs to break 11.1k. Isn't looking that good on the daily. Probably will be going back to this level. I can see clearly this trend line, and maybe we can already just line up with this one. Yeah, it does. So this is the pattern we are in. If it's tightening like this, it's just sideways consolidation. That would mean it is bullish, and that would mean continuation of this push up. So that would mean we go up from here. We have a positive bullish breakout, but also the fifth or sixth step on the trend line, it usually breaks, and we are now at 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, I think this is continuation to the upside, but a tap on 10.6k wouldn't surprise me either. I'm bullish. If you want to buy, this is a perfect moment to buy some, because it is on support of this trend line and targeting 11.1, taking profit over there in case it gets a double top, is wise in my opinion. So we can see also it is tightening because we have a top over there. We have a top over there. So those are support and resistance at the moment. Tightening. Taking a look at Ethereum. We're on the daily right now. We're still in this bigger pattern, a really big rising wedge. They got denied at $400. Barely touched it. 395. And this is a level they should bounce at. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Let's go to the hourly. Let's grab the VPVR. And you can clearly see in the VPVR this is an important level, $400. And if they bounce from this level they are at right now, around $380, that would mean a higher low. So that would be good. There's a trend line. I'll also see this pattern. If they touch this upper trend line a couple of times and they keep this trend line, that would be a really bullish sign. For now, not that visible yet, but I'm still bullish in Ethereum. Ethereum BTC yesterday had a monster candle. Right now we can draw something like this. You see something from over here. Yeah, I think it's valid. So this is what we're seeing on Ethereum. We want to break these higher highs over here, otherwise it's a head and shoulders. Head and shoulders like this. Neo made their moves. Take profit at $29 over here, $28. Maybe it's getting front run and maybe this is the top, but the daily candle looks very, very good. I covered this coin yesterday as well. If you took the trade I had in there yesterday, you would have some nice profits. Let's go take a look at the hourly. Looks very good. Looks very, very good. Will probably continue. They already made their bullish retest in this candle over here. They came down to test this support over here, as you can see. That's really bullish, and maybe they will come down for another retest, but after that I'm pretty sure it will go to $28 right now at 25.5. Take a look at Fed. Fed made some moves, so that's why I took a look at it. If you want me to take a look at a certain coin or something, please let me know. Yeah, that's about it. Please let me know in the comments whatever you want me to take a look at. If you want to trade with some leverage like I do, please make sure to use one of the links in the video description. You get some extra discounts on your trading fees, and those are very important because trading fees eat your profits. So, what do we see for Fed? Well, it kind of looks like Bitcoin a little bit. And this is, I mean, this is clearly the resistance. You could pull it like this, and this is kind of the box Fed should cross to make new highs. Also, I see a trend line over here. These horizontals crossed for Fed, this trend line crossed for Fed, would resolve in higher highs. VPVR has a clear point at this one. Too small to pronounce for me. Anyway, Fed is looking good as soon as they cross this box and this trend line. Then it will make a pop up, probably do a retest, and then you buy the retest, and then it goes up. Funding, still looking good for Bitcoin. Still looking, wow, looking very good for Bitcoin. Probably the funding period has just started. Let me check. Yeah, it has just started, so it's not that accurate yet. It's always the predicted funding I look at, so it just started, very negative, but it has just started. And we want the funding to be negative, since then it's really cheap too long. And by the way, like I said, make sure you use one of the sign up links in the video description, because you will get discount on your trading fees, and that's exactly what you want. So guys, bullish on Fed. Ethereum has to show something right now. Ethereum USD is looking good. Bitcoin is looking good over here as well. This is the pattern I'm looking at right now. Is a good spot to buy some, especially with the predicted funding being that low. People are selling here. And yeah, I would say cross 11k, make a higher high over here, and it's definitely going back to 12k. Really clear level over here. Really clear level. The time looked a bit like a head and shoulders. About that head and shoulders, I noticed it before when we were over here. I noticed the head and shoulders, but I thought we were making higher highs. I was clearly wrong, and it was in fact the head and shoulders. So yeah, even experienced traders make mistakes, guys. it's just about how you handle them. So make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think, let me know what I can improve to make it easier for you, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow.